So, me and a couple of buddies have pulled the trigger on buying this 2000 Celica GTS. It appears that motor's running, 6-speed manual, but the transmission's stuck in third. They're wanting $500 for it. So I want to go pick it up because I need that TRD front end, and I need the passenger door, and Charles is going to take the rear disc brake setup, and we're probably going to rob a couple other pieces off of it here and there, just kind of as needed. Connor's then going to take it and part out the rest of it. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked to finally be getting my front bumper and door fixed. Those are two things that I desperately needed fixed, and this will solve both of them for a pretty reasonable price since all three of us are splitting it. But yeah, really stoked on this. I will bring more updates of it as we get closer to going to get it. So we've gone ahead and snagged ourselves a trailer for the trip on Monday. Super stoked. It's gonna be super awesome. Very excited for picking this up and having a little fun with it. Nice. All right, let's get this parts car. as you can see behind us, we have achieved the GTS parts car. I was way too excited to actually film myself with the car there. We got to stop and grab gas here in town, so we are going to do that. I will do a little bit of quick filming while I refill up. Yep, heading back to Portland. Gotta deliver the old car here so we can rob her of parts.
Which model is this one?
2000 Celica GTS. They're great.
And I was surprised. I mean, you know, the 91s only had the 2.2 in them.
Yeah.
So it's not that, you know, cool VTEC style motor or anything.
Yeah.
But it's still got the fuck on it.
Oh yeah.
I was impressed.
Yeah, those 2.2s got great low end torque on them.
Yeah, I wanted to go through the conversion to do the all-wheel drive in that one.
Yeah.
But then I got 15 cars.
Yeah.
Like, it's gotta go.
Not this one anymore. She's a little dirty, but hey, parts cars are parts cars. That's not factory tint. Got all the rest of the stock goodies in the back, and fresh tarp at that. That's pretty fucking cool. I like having a fresh tarp. It's got the big old GT wang in the back. That'll be fun. We found out it has an aftermarket exhaust, I believe, with this Japanese lettering on top. It's kind of hard to see, it's all fucking dirty. I believe it's a Japspeed, because it's definitely not stock. It's a catback for sure. And we believe these are lowering springs on it as well. Definitely look like they might be. So we'll have to do some more exploration here. See what the good word is. Yeah, this bumper was not originally red. You can tell. It was carbon blue, I'm guessing. Yeah, that's what it appears to be. And it looks like it at one point had the TRD rear valance on it. So yeah, lots of goodies to be had. Lots of fun to be had. Yeah, right. Well, we got it here. Now we're tired. We're gonna go home, do some other mucking around, but it's here. And now we're gonna take a weekend or two and rip it apart.